Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss to find the direction of the magnetic force. This topic is from the unit 3rd. So to find the direction of the magnetic force, we have three rules: screw rule, Fleming left hand rule and right hand palm rule. But in this video we are going to discuss Fleming left hand rule. So for this you have to take your left hand and this is forefinger, and you just give the impression of your left hand like that, and you can put B here on your forefinger, and on the middle finger you will put I, that gives the direction of the current, and thumb points the direction of the force. Just like that, means forefinger gives the direction of, indicates the direction of magnetic field, middle finger indicates the direction of current, and thumb indicates the direction of the force. So you have to just place your hand like that, firstly in the direction of magnetic field, then in the direction of current, and where the thumb points, then it gives the direction of the force. We will check it in the example. Now we will see the first example. In this case, this cross indicates that the magnetic field is inward into this blackboard or inward. So inward magnetic field is like that, okay, inward, and V means current is in this direction. So I place magnetic field inwards and V this direction. So now see where your thumb points. Your thumb points upward. ठीक है, magnetic field inwards and V is in this direction and your thumb will point upward. So force direction is upward. In this case, force direction is upward. Now in the second example, magnetic field is outwards. This dot indicates that magnetic field is out of the plane, and cross indicates that the magnetic field is inward. In this case, magnetic field is outward, so the forefinger place it in outward direction and current is in upward direction. You can see कि current is in upward direction. So current is in upward direction and magnetic field is outward, and now my thumb points in the right direction. So this thumb indicates the direction of force. This is magnetic field is outwards, current is upward, and force is in the right direction. So force is in right